Our Alfa Romeo definitely has a sleek and sporty design, but the interior, it feels a bit basic, so we're upgrading it piece by piece. For starting here, we did that and a little bit more around. Stay subscribed for those, but today we're adding some simple but stylish multimedia knob covers. These covers have a sleek textured finish. There's a bit of knurling around the edges, so that gives you some texture when you're going to turn them. Apparently, they were supposed to be self-adhesive. We put this adhesive strip on. One of them has adhesive on the side, and then this one is we found to be really tight. Let's try this one, because this one has the adhesive strips that came with it from the supplier. That feels very loose. You see that? Look at that side to side movement. Yeah, look at that. That's just not good.
There's
so
a small piece of that in there.
What we'll do, let's take this part. Now the far left one is the only one with little pieces of adhesive on it. However, as you saw, it wiggles around. So we're gonna put a thicker strip of adhesive in the back, a very small, thick strip, and this is gonna be towards the bottom, and we're gonna see if this holds it well in place. We'll move it down, so we'll move it like towards the bottom. Maybe that might help it sit in better. Moment of truth. Boom. Yeah?
Are we gonna keep it that way?
I think so, right? I mean, it looks good.
We didn't unpeel the adhesive.
I thought you did.
You didn't.
The white part?
Correct.
Wait, I thought you peeled it.
No, I didn't.
Wait, who peeled it then?
Nobody peeled it. That's why it's still on there.
Oh no. Wait, but this fits so good. Oh, did I get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try twisting it, huh? So that works pretty well. For this guy, we completely stripped it of the 3M tape because it was just way too thick to fit on here. Girlfriend went inside and she found some thinner tape. So we're gonna put that in here and we'll try our luck placing it back on. Because right now, it's just rubbing against the rubber. It looks good.
Okay, I think I got all the sides in. It looks like it's all the way down. Looks like it fits
It's spinning,
okay.
yeah. Good job. Wow. What a great idea by girlfriend. Plan for the last one is what, girlfriend?
Jam it in.
It doesn't fit at all. This rubber is like way too thick. And when we try to put it in, it just gets stuck. So we're just gonna use all of our might. Check out the girlfriend bending the aluminum outwards, trying to get it to stretch so it can fit over the knob. Because when we initially pulled this out, I guarantee you there is no way it went on there. But oh my god, you were like, okay, that was slightly off camera, but girlfriend, you were like pulling it apart on the inside a little bit, right?
Yes, and then this time it fits pretty snugly. No adhesive needed. It was just a little bit of pressure.
For this one. These two definitely had adhesive needed. Sweet, dang. Girlfriend, what do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
Add some color.
It's so
pretty.
cool. It is really pretty.
It is a really great red.
And just like that, our Giulia's interior already looks more refined. These little details on top of the ones we have hidden at the moment make a big difference, especially when upgrading our car step by step. And if you want to grab a set for yourself, I know they're a bit hard to install, but they look good. If you want to grab one for yourself, there'll be a link in the description below the like button. This is just one of the many mods that we've done, we have planned, so make sure you're subscribed for more Alfa Romeo interior upgrades because we have a bunch coming on the way. Let us know in the comments what interior mods you've done to your car, whether it be an Alfa or a different car. We would love to know, and we'd love to see what upgrades you got.